update on the Womble situation. Womble is going to go and have to move his van. Let's see if I can zoom right in. Neighbour's van, it's up to the sills as good as, bottom of the bumper, and Womble's van, suppose I move up a tad. Yeah, she's in the water. It's coming up the road. I'm in the bedroom window at the moment. Stood in my dressing gown, just about to get ready to go down to Brightwells. But it's all down the side of the roads down there, and down the back, right down there. Before these houses were built on here, 1980, I've lived here since 1981. This area used to be the pond, so well, I'll take you around and show you the front now. The houses opposite are flooded. Right, a big puddle at the top of the estate when I showed you yesterday walking up town. There, he's just about to drive through it now. It's over the path now. You're going ever so slow through it. Ooh. That's the trouble with this camera, there's no steady. Oh, he's parking there. Right, but this is the neighbour's gardens. They're under. Let's move past the window. Alright. There's my car. Their front gardens are flooded, the bins are floating. They're up to their, well, they've gone over their door. Not quite gone over their air bricks yet, so it won't go in the house for another 6 inches over there. Oh. I can't see because of the tree. But it's coming down. He just drove through it. And I'm just about to get dressed to go down to Brightwells. Just walked all the way around the outside of the wall to be able to get to where my van is, halfway up the tyre. He's up to the bumper. Let's go over on the other side. Come right up to the back of the van as well. There. Look at that lot. There you go. That's my car park for you. I've left it later than normal. It's now 9:30, and I'm just about to go and do Brightwells. I'll catch you in a minute. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm now sat in the van. I've just started the van up. I'm in, well, 4 or 5 inches of water. I'll spin the camera around, of course the sun's glaring now. I'll put the camera facing forwards as I'm just about to drive around to Brightwells. I'll give you a view. This is my estate. This is the car park where I'm parked, where I normally park. In this particular one, all the neighbours sort of know, because this particular space is covered all by my CCTV, and it's within reach of the Wi-Fi, and I picked up the IP camera in here, so let's go for a ride. I mean, I could bloody walk, but that video is. Oh. Right, this is the BP garage. I've just been in and got my Costa coffee in my van. Got one stranded in there. I don't think anybody's going to work at the OK Diner today. Shut. Because that's the OK Diner. This is all the... it's bloody muddy too. I'm going to go behind. Because this is the river. Well, it's a brook. It's called the Ridgemore Brook. This is the car park. This is the car park behind. Now somebody's pulled up behind me on the pump. Right. This, I can normally walk across it. This is a bridge. No way I'm walking across it today. Right, this is the bridge. There's all the flooding out in the fields. I live just there, right, and it's flooded all the way down to me. It hasn't broken the old disused railway line embankment, but it's broken out here. Another foot, it'll be into the garage. And that is a foot. That is a drive. You could drive across that bridge, and that is called Ridgemore Brook. That there is the River Lug. Just there is the River Lug. That's the one that goes down the side of Brightwells. Yeah, so there you go. Oh, motorhome behind me. Alright, catching oil. I don't know whether you can see this or not. But that's my old workshop down there. That's totally flooded, and I'm going to attempt to go through these floods. So I wanted to go into Premier, but they're shut. But they are shut, as with most of them. Yeah, they're shut. Only some more nuts and bolts. Glad I didn't go further down. He is quite low. He's higher than me. I am fairly deep, as you can see by outside. I'll have no brakes now. It's clamped to the steering wheel, by the way. release it as I can have a look. Well, hang on, release. Well, you can see there's a lot of flooding over there. Well, we are quite low. Well, if this is a floodplain, no two doubts about it. Leominster is a floodplain. It's been going over the road radio that virtually every road in and out of Leominster is blocked. There's definitely no trains running. Well, I'll go and park in Huddle again. Oh dear. This is the fields for Brightwells. There's Brightwells. Photographer, and there is one ambulance that's up to the halfway up the doors. Two ambulances halfway up the doors, but they're customers' vans. They've been told to collect them, so it's their lookout, isn't it? It is their lookout. I don't know why, but I got 3 bloody cameras filming going forwards now. You're back on the clamp on the dash now. That's the reason why the tilt. There you go. Unclip it. Dodge the potholes. Take the push bike. Wobbly push bike too. The cricket pitch is starting to flood. And I'll water the grass on it. Left his loading lights on. Alright, stop recording.